artificial intelligence, 5G, blockchain, these are buzzwords we hear everywhere. But unfortunately, they're also surrounded by more myths than facts. Today, we'll dive into the most common misconceptions about these technologies and explain why they're not just hype or threats, but incredible tools that are shaping our world. Let's get started. Segment 1: Debunking myths about artificial intelligence or AI. Let's start with artificial intelligence. For many, the term AI brings up images of robots taking over the world or machines replacing humans. But here's the reality: AI is neither sentient nor magical. It's simply a tool built on algorithms designed to recognize patterns and perform tasks efficiently. When you use a chatbot, AI helps answer your questions. When you scroll through social media, AI recommends content based on your preferences. One major misconception about AI is that it's here to replace humans. That's not true. AI is entirely dependent on the data and instructions we give it. It's great at automating repetitive tasks, but also creates new opportunities in areas like healthcare, education, and entertainment. For example, AI is helping doctors detect diseases earlier, which can save lives. Another common myth is that AI is always accurate and unbiased. But AI systems can only be as good as the data they're trained on. If the data has biases, the AI will reflect them. This is why some facial recognition systems perform poorly on certain populations. They weren't trained with diverse enough data. AI is powerful but far from perfect. It's not a superhuman mind, it's just a reflection of the data we feed into it. In short, AI isn't coming for your job or your life. It's a tool that can amplify human potential, and like any tool, it's up to us to use it wisely. Segment 2: Debunking 5G conspiracy theories. Now let's talk about 5G. While this technology promises faster internet and better connectivity, it's also surrounded by wild conspiracy theories. One of the craziest claims is that 5G spreads diseases like COVID-19. Let's set the record straight. 5G uses non-ionizing electromagnetic waves. This means it doesn't have enough energy to damage DNA or spread viruses. In fact, you're exposed to more radiation from your microwave than from a 5G tower. Another misconception is that 5G is just about faster internet. While speed is a big advantage, the real game changer is 5G's low latency. This means minimal delays, which is crucial for technologies like self-driving cars, remote surgeries, and smart city systems. For instance, traffic lights in a smart city can be optimized in real time to reduce congestion thanks to 5G's capabilities. Some people also fear that 5G networks will invade their privacy. However, the technology itself isn't to blame for privacy concerns. Those come from how data is handled and regulated. Instead of fearing 5G, it's more productive to advocate for stronger data protection laws. 5G is a communication tool, not a surveillance device. In reality, 5G is laying the foundation for a connected and efficient world, and the fears surrounding it are based on misinformation, not science. Segment 3: Demystifying blockchain. Finally, let's address blockchain. Many people hear the word blockchain and immediately think of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is one application of blockchain, the technology itself is much broader. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and secure ledger that records transactions transparently. Think of it as a digital logbook that everyone can access, but no one can tamper with. A common myth is that blockchain transactions are completely anonymous. The truth is, they are pseudonymous. Transactions are tied to wallet addresses, and in many cases, these can be traced back to individuals. So no, blockchain isn't a playground for hackers. Another misconception is that blockchain is unhackable. While the technology is highly secure, the applications built on it, like digital wallets and exchanges, can still be vulnerable to attacks. This distinction is important. Blockchain itself is secure, but the platforms using it may have weaknesses. Blockchain's potential goes far beyond cryptocurrency. It's being used to track food safety, ensure transparent voting, and secure medical records. The key takeaway is that blockchain isn't just about money, it's about building trust in digital systems. Conclusion: setting the record straight. Here's the bottom line: AI, 5G, and blockchain aren't the villains they're often made out to be. They're tools with immense potential to improve our lives. But like any tool, they need to be understood and used responsibly. Misinformation and fear often overshadow their benefits, which is why it's important to learn the facts and spread awareness. If you've learned something new today, share this video with someone who might find it interesting. Let's replace fear with facts and move forward with curiosity and knowledge. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next session.